I'm going to teach you how to switch up a regular boiled yam into this delicious yam balls. To start off, I boiled my yam with some sugar and salt, and this is not going to be your basic yam balls because I used some pork sausage. I popped my sausage into my air fryer and allowed it to fry for about 15 minutes. At this point, my yam was well cooked. I mashed it, added some evaporated milk, margarine, you can use butter, black pepper and egg. Mix everything together and I used my food processor to mince the sausage. I added my veggies, mixed everything again and began to mold into my balls. So after molding the yam into balls, you're going to coat it. I coated mine in flour, egg and breadcrumbs. You need your breadcrumbs to hold the yam in place, otherwise it's going to break into the oil when you're frying. After coating, you're going to proceed to deep fry this for about 7 minutes or until you have crispy balls. That's when you know it's ready, and trust me, this was so flavorful. The pork sausage is well seasoned. It tasted so good in my yam bowl. By far the best breakfast sausage I've had. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Bye.